Ay, bunghong. Tambay ra ko. Manicure ko. Sige, sige, TMs. Liyo poong. Hello, hello. Morning. Hello. Manicure ka lang dyan, Ate M. Lakad lang ako. Punta ako ng ng office. Hello, bunghong. Good afternoon. Diyo po ang good afternoon. Hello. I'm going to land survey office, Ate M. May kukunin ako doon sa pinapasurvey namin. Bunghong. Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. Update lang po. Update lang. Ala, ano ba to dito? Thank you everyone. Thank you guys. I'm going to land surveying office, guys. I have something to get. Ayan. Hello, Sir Nguang. Sir Nguang, hello. I'm walking again, Sir Nguang. I will go to the land of surveying officer in Guang. Hello, Ma'am Sonia. Good afternoon. Thank you, Sir Nguang, for coming. Thank you, Ma'am Sonia. Thank you, Ate Amy. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Sir Nguang. Amy, hello. Big love shout out from Sir Nguang. Walking again, Sir Nguang. Ayan, walking again. This is our street, Sir Nguang. There is foodie. Ayan, oh. Banana queue. Hi, banana queue. Oh no. So hot. Ayan. Melody short music. Hello. I'm busy now but just leave mobile watching. Okay. Yes, Ma'am Sonia. It's okay. It's okay, Ma'am Sonia. Nag-update lang ako, Ma'am Sonia. Okay. Ang tagal ko nang hindi naka-live. Sir Nguang, look at our surrounding here. I'm just walking, Sir Nguang. I will go to the land surveying office because I have something to get about the lot of
Upo kasi.
Our piece of area of land. I am staying home. Why, Sir Nguang? You don't go to your coffee shop?